root x plus root minus x equals to 2. Find x. Solution. Root x plus root of minus x equals to 2. Let root of minus x equals to I root x. Root x plus I root x equals to 2. Root x is common. 1 plus I equals to 2. Root x equals to 2 by 1 plus I. Rationalizes factor of denominator 1 plus I equals to 1 minus I. 1 minus I is multiplied numerator and denominator. Root x equals to 2 by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. Root x equals to 2 into 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Root x equals to 2 into 1 minus I by a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. 1 plus I into 1 minus I equals to 1 square minus I square. Root x equals to 2 into 1 minus I divided by 1 square equals to 1 minus I square equals to minus 1. Root x equals to 2 into 1 minus I divided by 1 minus into minus plus 1. Root x equals to 2 of 1 minus I divided by 1 plus 1, 2. 2 to cancel. Root x equals to 1 minus I. Now squaring on both sides. Root x whole square equals to 1 minus I whole square. Square root to cancel. X equals to a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a equals to 1, b equals to I. 1 a square 1 square minus 2I plus I square. X equals to 1 minus 2I plus I square equals to minus 1. X equals to 1 minus 2I plus into minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. X equals to minus 2I. Complex solution. X equals to minus 2I. This is complex solution.